All right, hello people watching this video. This is the first set of questions that I have for the review on whiteboards. You have your f function, your g function. I want you to add, subtract, multiply, divide. I said for multiplication, if I write it fg or f times g, those both mean the same thing. So be prepared for that. Like it has to be a closed circle dot, not an open circle dot. Open circle dot means composed. That's different, okay? Closed circle dot. So go ahead and do that, and I'm gonna give you a second, and then I will write my own, okay?
3, 4, 5, 6. Goalie.
Okay. Okay.
Which one we start?
Any of them. This one's plus, this one's minus, multiply, divide. Whichever one. Okay, you're just, a lot of them you're just combining like terms. Okay? I'll write my, do you want me to write the work down or you want me to write just the answers down?
Can we do one, do work, and then...
Well, this one, here's the work. X plus 3x minus 5, that's F. And I'm adding that to G. Right? So x squared. This.
5.
Can we do
two.
the division one together?
There you go. Yes, we can.
Okay.
Okay? Alright, that's the plus. Minus. That's what I got for minus.
Yeah, easy.
Easy.
No problem.
Easy.
No problem.
Okay.
And tomorrow I will fail, so.
Like last time, like, it was easy.
Happens.
Okay.
After math, I never say.
Is math easier or harder?
Harder.
What?
It's harder for us.
In English, it's horrible.
Yeah.
Here it's horrible?
Yeah, because in English, I don't know the word in English.
Oh. Oh, so you have the language barrier and the math.
Yeah, algebra's
like minus, and you
subject
said
is
there's
harder.
something different, like you.
Okay, here's what I get for my multiply. If you're
So when I
checking,
have,
Also.
if you're checking your
Minus
answer, there's
when
what I
I
get for
have in
multiply.
the thing, when I have
What?
like 3 and 2 numbers, which means that's mean that it's gonna be 6 numbers after
yeah,
I
Every
every time. So when it's gonna
Every
be
time.
4 and 4, it's gonna be 12. It will be really hard.
16.
Nobody cares.
Okay.
That's what I got for multiply. Did you get the same thing for multiply?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
Divide. Gordon requested divide together, okay?
Yeah.
So the top is this, right? The bottom is this, okay? So typically what we want to do is I want to factor that top down. So I want to multiply to get -5 and add to get 3.
What?
And add to get 3.
4 and 1.
That's 4 when you multiply. I want to multiply to get 5.
It can only be 5 and
It could only be 5 and 1,
it doesn't work.
so it doesn't break down. So what do?
X cannot equal.
We just leave it. Now we have to figure out what x cannot equal, right? We still have to do that, okay? X cannot equal whatever. So to do that, I say 2x plus 7. What do we want 2x plus 7 not to be?
-3.
Well, yeah, okay, that's the answer. But what do we want 2x plus 7 not to be? What can this not be? 0. Can't be 0. And then we solve it, right? So I'm going to subtract the 7. So 2x can't be -7. And then divide by 2. So x can't be negative
3.5.
3.5, right?
Smart boy.
You see what I just did? X, we don't want this bottom to be 0. So we say that can't be 0, which means x can't be 3.5, -3.5. Okay? That's the divide. Got it? Shh, don't do that.
So it's always, it can't be 0.
The bottom can't be 0.
Okay.
Yep. And then you solve it. Okay?
Okay, I'm going.
All right. Next. Here's your next set of 4, but you're not add, subtract, multiply, divide. You are. What did he
I
do?
don't know, that was. There's the one.
Okay. Add, subtract, multiply, divide. We're not doing that this time. We're doing f composed of g of x and g composed of f of x. Now,
Down.
this one you're plugging numbers in. This one you're not plugging numbers in. So how do you do it when you're not plugging numbers in?
Just put the whole equation.
Yeah, g, the whole equation goes into f. Okay? All right, go.
I'm watching.
F composed of g of x. That's the first one. Do that one first. Here's your f and your g. Plug those into each other.
Isn't it like I have to do both? Oh, I see.
Yep.
I forgot.
Was it like fork and then go?
Yeah, so So it's x plus 3 minus 4. Yes.
Okay, but
2 square minus plus 9
nope,
minus 4.
nope. This right here means
Nah, I'm confused.
Oi!
oi. So we have to
6.
foil.
Yo yo yo!
Okay, if you foil this,
Do we really have to do the test tomorrow?
Yep.
Uh,
if you foil it,
Assume it's 1 minus 4.
No,
x squared plus 3x
I'm gonna fail.
plus another 3x plus 9. That's what he foils out to
it's
be.
so hard, I just forget it.
You are
Okay.
dumb.
There's that, right? We have to foil that, right?
5.
X plus 3 squared. Okay.
X squared plus 9.
Nope.
Plus 6x plus 5.
There you go. That's what your f composed of g is.
No.
Okay.
I'm sick. I'm not going to school tomorrow.
All right. Now g composed of f means that this one's going inside of the g, right? This is going in right here. You see if you can do that. That one's easier. Plug that one in there. You don't have to foil.
X squared minus 4. Mm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So confusing.
All right. Now these ones are easier. What happens when you're plugging a number in? Where does the 3 go first?
You have low back again.
F. That 3 goes into g. Plug 3 into g. Go.
3 plus 3.
6.
Now 6.
Okay. Now g of 3. This came out to be 6. Now where do you put the 6 in?
6 square.
6 goes into f. So 6 squared minus 4 is, I think Araceli said it, 32. Got it? All right, now, negative 1. Where does he go first?
You lucky.
Into f, okay? This is negative 1 squared
1 is gonna be 1.
minus 4, which is
1.
negative 3, right? Because negative 1, when you square it, this becomes a positive 1, right? Okay? And then negative 3 goes into g. Negative 3 plus 3 is 0. Got it? Okay.
No
All right.
go.
Good. Can we do those?
No go.
Okay, let's go down to some of these. Let's find the inverse.
Wait, can you go up?
Yes, ma'am.
Your maximum.
I know, it's about dead.
Miss Comacher,
Okay.
can you go up? I will just like take pictures every time. So I
I'm
can
recording it, so I'll just send this to you.
forget. Okay.
Okay. All right, find the inverse. How do you find the inverse of that? We'll do one together.
Swap the x and y.
Swap the x and the y. So this is now x and this is now y. Then what?
Then just 6.
Bring over the 6.
I'm going to solve for y, so I'm going to bring the 6 over. Add the 6 over. Okay, what's x plus 6?
6 plus x.
X plus 6, or 6 plus x, equals
Why?
3y. Okay, then I don't have y solved for yet.
Divided by 3.
Divide by 3, but I have to divide everything by 3, right?
So 1.
Y equals, okay,
Third
x
plus
divided by
3.
3 is like 1/3 x, right?
Yeah.
Plus
2.
2, and then instead of calling this y, we call it like f inverse of x, or whatever it is, right?
Or
We like switch his name back to the original,
Yes.
okay, but we call him the inverse. Good?
That's bad.
Probably not. I'll
Can you send it to me, please?
I'll probably be lenient, okay?
Yeah.
All right, find the inverse of this one. Go.
What?
Switch your x and y.
So now we want to put it in a y.
Yep, now we make it a y, right? Then we switch x and y. Then we solve for y, okay? Try to do that one. I'll give you a head start and then I'll start.
So it's y equals 1/2 x plus 4
Oh, that's okay, Gordon. No problem. Start working.
Okay. Dividing by 1/2, instead of doing that, you
Nothing.
Well, I
multiply by
didn't switch the sign.
2,
No.
right? Instead of dividing by 1/2, you multiply by 2.
I think I actually got it right.
It's not working.
Again.
It doesn't work.
Mine doesn't work either.
I don't
Okay.
think.
Just like that.
Agree?
Did you get 2x plus 8?
Yes.
Yes, wonderful.
Uh-huh.
Wonderful. Okay, moving on. These two functions. You have those two functions. I want to know if they are inverses of each other. How do you find whether they're inverses of each other or not?
You have to do the thing.
Stick them into each other, right? And then go the other way.
Can we use our paper tomorrow?
Stick them in and stick them in. No,
Like to
This is
can
gonna
use
work
our-
for you.
you don't need it. You don't need it. You'll be fine.
I don't need it.
You don't need it. You'll be fine.
And the no.
I'm sorry.
Okay. All right. Here we go. Stick them in. F composed of G, G composed of F. You want to see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. F composed of G. We're sticking G into F. This guy is G. We're sticking him right there. So instead of 4x plus 8, Toby, sit down. Okay? We're doing that. All right, then we want to simplify.